Matt. No, Matt, you're good. You're beautiful, Matt.
Yeah.
What? Matthew. What? Why are you wearing my shoes?
Because they're yours.
Pacha! I'm wearing the Matt's shoes, I think. Am I wearing your shoes? Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you wearing my shoes?
And Kendall needs to hurry up and get out here.
Yeah, so I can meet her.
You met her last night. That sounded really wrong. Okay, well, bye, Matt. We'll record more.
Peace out.
Bye.
Is this good?